Very good morning everyone. Yes, audio clear ആണല്ലോ അല്ലേ? Right. Just checking out some things. Okay, Nija Rajesh says hi. Adula sir says good morning. Pradeep says good morning. Shihab good morning. എല്ലാവർക്കും good morning. A very good morning to everyone. നിജ രാജേഷ് പുതിയൊരു പേരാണ് ഇതുവരെ കണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നില്ല. Anyway, everyone have yeah, Dhanlakshmi MK, very good morning. Thank you everyone for joining in on time. ലൈറ്റ് സമയത്ത് തന്നെ ഉണ്ട്. വി വിൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഈ ബോക്സിന്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ലല്ലോ. റൈറ്റ്. സോ വി ഹാവ് ചേഞ്ച്ഡ് അവർ തീം ഫ്രം ലൈറ്റ് ടു ഡാർക്ക് കേട്ടോ. ഡാർക്ക് തീം ആക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഈസ് നിഫ്റ്റി. വിൽ ഓൾസോ ട്രാക്ക് സെൻസെക്സ് ടുഡേ. ഇന്ന് സെൻസെക്സും കൂടെ നമുക്ക് ആവശ്യമുണ്ട്. വൈ? ബിക്കോസ് ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ പൊസിഷൻസ് നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിലും പോസിബിളി ഇഫ് യു ആർ ഗോയിങ് ലോങ് ഓൺ സംതിങ് ഇന്ന് എക്സ്പയറി ആയതുകൊണ്ട്, ബിക്കോസ് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് എൻ എക്സ്പയറി ടുഡേ, വി മൈറ്റ് നോട്ട് ബി ഗോയിങ് ലോങ് ഓൺ സംതിങ് വിച്ച് ഇസ് എക്സ്പയറിംഗ് ടുഡേ. ഓക്കെ, പ്രദീപ് ആസ്കി ഇന്നലെ എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു? പ്രദീപ് ഇന്നലെ നല്ലൊരു ട്രേഡ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇന്നലെ ഐ തിങ്ക് വി ഡിഡ് ഓൺലി വൺ ട്രേഡ്, again put option, which gave most of us 20% or more profits, easy profits. Okay, so yes, yeah, if you are going long on a nifty option, nifty today is expiring, so there is a weekly expiry today, so we either will have to go for next week expiry or possibly Sensex, because if at all the movement we expect takes some time to happen, if the movement takes some time to happen, then the time decay can kill you. So in that case we will be generally be going with Sensex or Nifty's next week expiry call options. Right. So that is our plan, that is our idea, just to be on the safer side. And I'll show my positions today. These are my positions, if you can see on the screen. Okay. Coforge put spread, Nifty iron condor in Nifty. So I have shorted from the bottom as well as the top. So where have I shorted from the bottom? At 25,050. So it is still close to 500 points away, so I should be safe there. And 25,900 call, which is almost 400 points away on the top side also, so I should be safe on both sides unless something very drastic happens. So if something is that like that is to happen, I will exit my positions then. Again, generally expiry days are favorites for us, so we will generally make profits in expiry day. Yeah, Amrita Jibin says good morning Amrita. Yes, very good morning. Nifty is trading flat today. I mean, just 0.2% up. It's not entirely flat, but yes, this is what is happening with Nifty. On the left we have Nifty, on the right Sensex. So the initial 10 minutes, 7 minutes now. We'll also have the countdown to bar close. Yeah. Yeah, 2 minutes. പ്രദീപ് ഇന്നലെ അവൈലബിൾ ആയിരുന്നില്ല അല്ലേ? ഇന്നലെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല പ്രദീപ് ട്രേഡിൽ. നല്ലൊരു ദിവസമായിരുന്നു പ്രദീപ് ഇന്നലെ. ഇൻഫാക്ട് നമ്മൾ ഫുൾ റാലി എടുത്തിട്ടില്ല, എന്നിട്ട് പോലും നമുക്ക് 20% കൂടുതൽ പലരും പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിരുന്നു. ഐ തിങ്ക് വിഷ്ണു വാസ് ഹിയർ, ശ്രീകുട്ടൻ വാസ് ഹിയർ, ആൽവിൻ വാസ് ഹിയർ. I think they all made profits yesterday. Yes. Okay, Nifty tumbling. There is heavy selling in the initial stages itself. Very good selling. 25,600. Okay, 3.9 million. Okay, 25,600 again is acting as a very good resistance today. And my view on Nifty today is shaping out to be not bullish at all. Not at all bullish in Nifty as of now. So I'll just add it here. What is my view? Okay, so not bullish as of now. Mild bearish. Because this is the initial 15 to 20 minutes, we should not be anything, we should not be conclusive of anything initially. Everything can change, right? Yeah. I'm not bullish on Nifty as of now. I'm just mild bearish. Because everything suggests 25,500 again selling. Everything suggests going down. So risk takers, you can consider Sensex is at 83,440. Okay. Consider 83,000. 8 July put option. What is it? Is it? It's at 240 now. 240, 245. See the movement in Sensex. It is very good movement. Again, I am not asking you to be conclusive of any trade and do something. No. I'm just asking you to be watchful. We'll obviously get trades. ഇന്നലെ നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴാണ് ട്രേഡ് എടുത്തത്? We took a trade yesterday by around, I think, 10 o'clock or after that. Right. Still we got 20%. We'll get easy, options. ഇന്നലെ തിരക്കിലായിരുന്നു, ഇന്ന് ക്ഷീണം മാറ്റി. Okay, 25,400 P, 20 points. So you already wrote 20 points. റൈഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഓക്കെ, പ്രദീപ് വളരെ അഗ്രസീവ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളൊരു ട്രേഡറാണ്. ഓക്കെ, I mean brave enough to do things. Yeah. അപ്പോൾ എനിക്കിനി വാച്ച് ചെയ്യാനുള്ളത് 25, yes 25,700 call. Yes, I have 25,600 call. ഞാൻ തൽക്കാലം കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല, because I find it might be risky. 25,700 call I have, and I know I'll have to exit some of my positions because margin shortfall ഉണ്ട്. So 1,050. So 25,900 call. 26,050 call. I'll exit all of them so as to manage my funds. Still കുറച്ച് ഫണ്ട് എനിക്കിപ്പോഴും ഷോർട്ട് ഉണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, yeah, let's see. Anyway, let's see for what is. Yes, again നമ്മുടെ വ്യൂ bearish ആണ്, mild bearish view in Nifty. Again, this is expiry. So beware weekly expiry, so expect volatility and be careful. Okay, so this is weekly expiry, so expect volatility, right? And we might not be getting something very easy, you know, in the sense Nifty can give technical signals which could prove sensible to us, but I mean sensible sensible to us, but it can still go wrong. So having a stop loss, especially in expiry day, is very, very crucial, damn crucial. So beware of that. $915. Sellers going to 13 million. Heavy selling now. Now huge selling at 25,550. I mean 500. 25,500. Huge selling. And also the buyers are losing their portion, so sellers are improving, which means again it stays bearish. Our view stays bearish. These are our positions for today. And Coforge, I'm very unsure how long will I hold Coforge, because the tariff deadline is scheduled, I think, on 9th of July, and today is the 3rd, tomorrow is 4th. Market will reopen after weekend only on 7th, so maybe today or maybe tomorrow I will possibly exit Coforge. We just made some profits, that's it. We didn't make any considerable profit in Coforge, but yeah, we'll see. And how is our portfolio performing today? Portfolio is flat, 0.02, almost dead flat. Oh, R power 4.6% down. Okay. Chennai Petrol lead in the charts, 2% up. Gale 1.1% up, very good. Tata Steel, which is a dummy stock. I just have one Tata Steel. That was a sample shown for someone else. So people present here, please like the stream. Okay, please consider liking the stream. Do subscribe the channel also. If yes, we are approaching 700 subscribers. Approaching 700. Currently at 698. So if you have not subscribed yet, you can definitely consider that too. Yes, and today I will show my tool which I am using for options trading. I mean the volume data the futures and options volume data, the strike volume data, everything. So how do I track that? I will be showing that. Okay, portfolio suddenly turned green, 0.1% up. Yeah. Yes, what is it with Nifty? Yes, one green candle should be taking a rest. Just should be taking a rest is what I believe. And I'll be ready with my Sensex 83,000 PE. If at all Nifty comes down to the 440 levels again, I am considering my entry at near 440. And Sensex comes back to the 83, 370 or 380 levels. Yeah, the 380 levels, let's say 380 to 370 levels. Yes, Renu Alvin says hi. Hi Renu, hi Renu. Should I call you Renu or Alvin? Alvin, I was talking about all of you people, Srikutan, Alvin, Vishnu, everyone. I was talking about all of you. Some 10 minutes. I called you Alvin. Yes. As of 9:30, let me be sure again. Philip Samuel says good morning. Good morning, Philip. Yes. Try to change asking innate entry evideka. Okay, again, day high break idal we can expect 600 is what I believe. But to be on the safer side, above 600 നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നല്ല റാലി കിട്ടാൻ ചാൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. If Nifty can sustain above 25,600, again ഞാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസങ്ങളിലൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ തന്നെ we can possibly expect 20 even 26,000 അതുപോലെ നമുക്ക് എക്സ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. Maybe in 2 or 3 days time നല്ല റാലി കിട്ടാനുള്ള എല്ലാ സാധ്യതയും ഞാൻ കാണുന്നുണ്ട്. If 25,600 മുകളിൽ ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, അതുവരെ we'll have to wait. Or if you want to be aggressive, 25,500 or day high at least 25,520 ഇന്ന് ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, if it is breaking 25,520, you can possibly expect a rally to 25,600. That is talking technically. But again ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ രാവിലെ തന്നെ I am not bullish as of now. I am not at all bullish looking at the OI data, looking at the overall volume of futures and options. I am not bullish at all. and 25,500 ഇപ്പോഴും നല്ല റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആയിട്ട് തന്നെയാണ് നിൽക്കുന്നത്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് സ്റ്റിൽ എ വെരി ഗുഡ് റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ്. Okay. Yes, I know it is approaching 25,500. There are two solid candles. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. But I am very unsure. I don't think 25,500 is going to be that easily taken out. At least until 10 a.m. I don't think so. And if that is taken out with strength, then we will see. But I don't think. This is my view as of now. Not bullish. I'm just mild bearish. And again, weekly expiry ആണ്. അങ്ങനെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒക്കെ മാർക്കറ്റ് കളിക്കും. അതിൽ ട്രാപ്പ് ആവാതെ നോക്കലാണ് നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ വി ക്യാൻ പോസിബിളി കൺസിഡർ ആൻ എൻട്രി ബിലോ 450 നൗ. നിഫ്റ്റി 450ക്ക് താഴെ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, സെൻസെക്സ് 83,400 താഴെ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വി ക്യാൻ പ്ലാൻ ആൻ എൻട്രി. ആൻഡ് ഐ വിൽ പോസിബിളി ബി ഗോയിങ് വിത്ത് സെൻസെക്സ്. Okay, so I'll just keep my Sensex option ready here. Sensex 83,000. Sensex 83,000 put of 8th July expiry. July 8 expiry is what I am keeping ready. And nevertheless, I don't think 500 is going to be broken. See what is happening now. 400 break ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ we can consider possibly 940. So initial 20 to 25 minutes are done now. Initial 25 minutes are done now. Market might be settling down. Again, I'll have a stop loss at the bottom of this candle, which is 190. 190 I'll have my stop loss, 230 to 190, and I can expect 300 or more. If at all it turns bearish, let us see. I'm just waiting for Sensex to show something. Let me also look at what is India VIX today. India VIX നമ്മൾ ട്രാക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. Yes, Philip Samuel, first time in your channel. What is the basics of your analysis? Price action. Okay, Philip Samuel, very good morning. We do track multiple things. Price action is obviously the most important thing. നമ്മൾ definitely support and resistance as well as strength of candles എല്ലാം നോക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. We also track the OI data obviously and the volume in futures and options together. Okay, so which should be giving us more of a confirmation, better clarity of how the market is going to behave. See, I am still saying, looking at 3 continuous green candles, I am still saying I don't think 25,500 is going to be broken. That is because I can see the OI data as well as the general futures and options volume, which is still going down, means in favor of the sellers, still going down in favor of the sellers. So this is my view personally. Again, I don't think 25,500 is going to be taken out to the positive side. There is a lesser chance, very less chance I have to say, because too many call sellers are positioned at 25,500. In fact, almost 3.5 times call sellers are there compared to put sellers. 1.5 million put sellers at 25,500 and 5.3 million call sellers at 23,500. I don't think 23,500 is going to be taken out. Similarly, I don't think 83,600 is going to be taken out. No, I don't think so. Looking at all these 3 continuous candles, I am still saying this. This might be wrong. Again, I'll be bullish again back if Nifty can break the 25,520 levels, 520 levels and going up. And again, I'll not be overall bullish on Nifty. I'll just be hoping I get a rally up to 25,600. That's it. Possibly some 70 to 80 points, because 25,600 again, there are no considerable buyers at 25,600. Only sellers. 25,550 again. Oh, 550 is also difficult. I'll also track more and more sellers coming up in 500, 25,500. Yes. D. Jacob sir says good morning. Yes, very good morning, sir. കുറേ നാളിന് ശേഷമാണ് ജേക്കബ് സാർ വരുന്നത്. I think നമ്മുടെ വേർഷൻ 2 when we revamp, നമ്മൾ തിരിച്ചു വന്നതിന് ശേഷം ജേക്കബ് സാർ ഇതുവരെ വന്നിട്ടില്ല. He's a doctor in Lakeshore Hospital. Very good morning, sir. My view still remains the same. I am mild bearish still on Nifty. As long as it does not cross the 520 levels, I will remain bearish on Nifty. And if 450 is broken to the downside, I am planning my entry. Or if 83,420 is broken, entry below 83,420, or let's keep it at 400, 410, ഒരു average ആയിക്കോട്ടെ. Yes, it is at 500 now. It is at 500. 1.7. $520 break ചെയ്യുകയും sustain ചെയ്യുമോ നോക്കാം. Then we will plan something. Positions as of now, Infi 0.84% up, Coforce 0.7% up. Good. Nifty playing at 25,500, we'll see. So people who are watching, please consider liking the stream. If you find the content good enough, genuine and worthy, you can also consider subscribing to our channel. And we have officially approached 700 subscribers. Thank you everyone, thank you so much. The channel started almost 1 month ago, 1 month, 1.5 months ago. and for continuous 3 weeks we were not able to do anything because of my PhD viva. I'm now Dr. Arvind, then Dr. Ravi. Okay, so yes. Praveen Kumar says, hi sir, new. Okay, you're new to this community. Okay, welcome. Danish Vatoli Devi says hi. Yes, hi Danish. Yes. Very high. Hi everyone. Hope everyone is having a good day in terms of your health, your family life, and everything that is happening around you. Nifty at 25,500, and let us see how the, yes, now the buyers are improving at 25,500. Yes, but no confirmation as of now. Still it remains on the seller's side, in the sense not much positive about 25,500. Call sellers are dominating again. Call sellers are twice as strong as put sellers as of now. Again, that is one indication. The price action is showing bullishness, I know, but we will see if it can sustain above the day's high. And this candle is going to be very crucial, very crucial. 520, 523. Looking at the technicalities, I should be going high, but I am uncertain, because again this is expiry day. This might show this technicality and it might drag you back down again. So I don't want to get trapped. I'll just wait for some confirmation, and obviously there is enough space to go up. If at all it decides to go up. I'm just changing my view to 83,440 to 410 to 440. That is enough for me to confirm any bearishness if it goes below 440. But now the call sellers are the put sellers are improving, means buyers are improving at 25,500. This is happening. Volume is improving, buyers are improving. Good. In the meanwhile, what is happening to our holdings? Holdings is 0.46%, very good. So something has shot up. Yes, it is Chennai Petroleum. Chennai Petroleum is giving me good profits today. Yes. Home Infra. Where is Tata Motors, by the way? Yeah, at least in the green. Chalo, fine. Expiry days can be confusing, can be slightly tricky also. Again, these are our positions. We have a set of safe positions with us. in the live. Yes. Amrita Jimin says bullish. Yes, technically speaking, can be considered bullish, but I am unsure. That's the only thing. Philip Samuel 25,500 OI reduced. Sir, which OI are you talking about? Means the call OI or the put OI? I'll just track. For the overall interest, there is no chance 25,500. Call OI is obviously reducing. The call sellers are reducing. Put sellers are improving. Put sellers have improved from in the morning 317k, 317,000 to 2,600,000. So almost 8 times. Even the call sellers are also at an improved position, but they are weakening now, slightly weakening now. Yes, Nifty remains bullish. Nifty is breaking the day's high at the close, but without genuine strength is what I can see. I am in a confused state here. The 25,400 buyers have shot up like anything. Let me tell you, there is huge activity happening in the market today. There is quick and sudden happening activity. Obviously, expiry day, we have to expect something, but there is huge activity, and I mean, I am like getting very uncertain. Okay, so we will see. So you can be now, I believe, can now be bullish on Nifty with a stop loss below 25,500. Okay, 25,500, and you can be bullish on Nifty is what I feel. And the same case with Sensex. Okay, so Sensex, the 84,000 PE CE we can consider. The 84,000 8 July CE. Okay, the 84,000 CE, which is at 300 rupees now. But if this rally is to sustain, I believe there is a small profit booking which could happen. Okay, so we'll use the Fibonacci tool for that. If at all we have to enter at a breakdown point, means cool off point, we'll use a Fibonacci tool for that. But the thing with which I am concerned is the sudden huge change in OI data. $25,550 27 points jackpot. Okay, Pradeep in the two lottery adichallo. Very good, very good. Happy, very happy for you, Pradeep. Very happy. Yes. Also make sure while you are trading very aggressively, do follow stop losses, because you seem to be very aggressive. You can get profits, make profits, yes, but losses should not be huge. Okay, എല്ലാം അടിപൊളിയായിട്ട് വരട്ടെ, എല്ലാം സൂപ്പറായിട്ട് വരട്ടെ. Now this is invalidated, below 440 is invalidated. There can be a cool off period where Nifty can come down to the 500 levels, where we can even possibly consider an entry with 450 as stop loss. Somewhere near 450 as the stop loss. And similarly, if it can come down to the 600 levels, somewhere near 600 to 580 levels, you can consider that with 500 or 450 as a stop loss. 500, yes, you can consider that. Nifty still remaining slightly bullish. Just that I am waiting for a cool off period before taking any entry. Okay, only in CO order. Did you mean cover order? Positions cover ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നതെങ്കിൽ fine. Nifty going to 550 now. Yes, looking all the more bullish. Everything looking bullish. Our initial view is now invalidated. Okay, so this was the case initially 930, but now market has taken it away, taken it apart. Okay, the sellers just rising and rising at 6 million now. Huge selling pressure. So 25,400. So what I will do is I will change my position from 25,050 put which I had shorted to I will change it to 25,200 put, or even better, even more. 25,050 is at 200. Yeah, I'll go to 25,300 put. Yeah, which is at 3 rupee 85 paise. I'll also check the 25,250 put. It's at 2 rupee 60 paise. I will draw the Fibonacci here. Yeah, how do I show this? Levels, values, and how do I change the color of the labels? Yeah, it's already there. Yeah. So, നമുക്ക് expect ചെയ്യാവുന്ന if it comes down to the 560 levels and going down, then further it should be going down. If it comes to the 560 levels or the 600 levels and then going up, then possibly we can expect, I think, if this is the day when Nifty is going to cross our 25,600 levels, then this might be the day. 84,000 might also be breached. Okay, so 84,000 എല്ലാം ബ്രീച്ച് ചെയ്യുമോ എന്ന് നമുക്ക് കണ്ടു നോക്കാം. Okay, so Nifty. So ഇതാണ് നിഫ്റ്റിയുടെ ചാർട്ട്. നിഫ്റ്റിയുടെ ഫിബൊനാച്ചി നമുക്ക് എടുക്കാം. From here to here. അല്ലേ? So if it can come down to the 25,500 levels and then if it can go up, possibly we can see a rally. Until then I am speculative, so I am already in some decent profits, so I don't want to be over enthusiastic on something and leave my position. 25,400 huge selling, I mean 400 huge buying. The most buyers are at 24,500 and 24,400, 25,500 and 25,400. Okay, so this is the Fibonacci tool we are using now. Yes, calls തരില്ലേ നിഫ്റ്റി. സോ പ്രവീൺ, നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്ന ട്രേഡ് ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ലൈവായിട്ട് കാണിക്കും. സോ you should not be expecting anything much more than that, because we are not, again, as can be seen there, we are not SEBI registered advisory. Kindly do your own research before investing in securities market. So what are we doing, nammalivide will be showcasing. The rest is up to you. $25,600. Be very careful if you are going for a call option here. Very careful. 25,600 is still there. നല്ലൊരു റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആയിട്ട് കളിക്കാൻ. I am just waiting for, yes, I am just waiting for one clear indication, after which possibly I can do something. As of now, this 500 to 550 range is not the most convincing one for me. So again, also considering ഒരു സാധാരണ ദിവസം maybe ഞാൻ ചിലപ്പോൾ ഒരു ട്രേഡ് എടുത്തേനെ, നമ്മളൊരു ട്രേഡ് എടുത്തേനെ, പക്ഷേ എക്സ്പയറി ആണ്. ആൻഡ് ലുക്കിംഗ് അറ്റ് ദി ആക്ടിവിറ്റി, ഭയങ്കര ഡ്രാസ്റ്റിക് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആക്ടിവിറ്റിയാണ്. ഇറ്റ് ക്യാൻ ചേഞ്ച് എനി ടൈം. ഓൾ ഓഫ് യുവർ ടെക്നിക്കാലിറ്റീസ് ക്യാൻ ഗോ റോങ്. ഐ എം സ്റ്റിൽ വാണിംഗ് യു. നിങ്ങൾ പൊസിഷൻ എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓക്കെ, ഹാവ് യുവർ ഓൺ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ്, യു ഡു സംതിങ്, ബട്ട് ബി വെരി കെയർഫുൾ. Be very careful today. See, just speaking technically, looking at only the price action, definitely bullish. One word, bullish, right? I get that. All continuous, solid Marubosus, continuous candles, continuous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles, followed by some sort of spinning top, then the next candle coming to be greenish again, almost closing at the highest point. Everything is fine, everything looks bullish, yes, and this might be bullish also. What I am concerned about is the activity and that it is an expiry day. It can be trending, but I'll be bullish only if it takes a proper break and then breaks the day's high. The break is not sufficient enough is what I believe. Either a break or at least some consolidation in this range of 500 to 550 levels for some time should be good enough for Nifty. The E range ആണ്, this is 550 levels, again resistance, 550 levels resistance ആണ്. I'm just asking you to be conservative, take some time to analyze, take some time to just a clear idea, that's it. I'm not, my opinion is not to trade at all, no. Take a trade, give yourself a lesser chance of making a loss. ചെറിയ നഷ്ടം ഉണ്ടാക്കാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നഷ്ടം ഉണ്ടാക്കാനുള്ള സാധ്യത കുറയ്ക്കാം, അത്രേ ഞാൻ പറയുന്നുള്ളൂ. നോക്കാം. Is it normal ATM CE and PE premium near 50? Yes, looking bullish again. Now looking at the Y chart. 550, 2.3 million, 2.3 million sellers, 1.3 million buyers. I think 550 is still a resistance. 2.4 million now. 550, 600 still hugely resistant. And how about the buyers at, let me look at only the buyers at 25,600. Almost there. They are not leaving their position, but $6.5 million to 1 million. I'm really hesitant to do something here. I will only be adding to my short positions, which is basically an iron condor at 25,050 put and 25,900 call. So I'll only be adding to that if at all possible, and I don't want to be over aggressive anywhere else. And that 25,300 put, let me see. I'm not adding to anything now. Be very careful, very cautious if you are dealing in call options now, because all the data shows back to 25,500 is what the data shows now. Back to 25,500, possibly, very possibly. $25,600. Only 30 seconds left in this candle. Yes, is it normal ATM CE and PE premium near 50 on an expiry day? Okay, sir, let's say you are talking about the 25,550, right? Let us go take a look at the option chain. 25,550, the open interest is 54 and 37. Obviously, call should be lesser. 53 and 37. So this is there is nothing much hugely variant here. This is a sort of barabar. Okay, it is not the most increased position either, because if you see the VIX here, India VIX again slumping again 12.2. In fact, the premiums are lower now. Premiums are comparatively very low. It is not that they are not going to move. Obviously, they will move, but they are at a very low position now. For long term, in the sense for at least for let's say 3 weeks or 1 month option buyers, 1 month long option buyers, this is sort of an opportunity, because you are getting things at a lesser premium. People who are doing strangle or the straddle, they can consider this as a good opportunity. And the premium is yes, relatively lesser. It is not very normal. Something normally we see is VIX near 14 to 15 is generally at most of the times, and it can even go higher. An average could be 14 to 15. It is much lower now, and I think VIX is going to shoot up, possibly because VIX is going to shoot up possibly because what's that? Trump the tariff deadline on 9th of July. Okay. Amrita says full of uncertainty. Amrita, if you are talking about the last 20 minutes, there is uncertainty. There have been spinning tops. 1, 2, 3 spinning tops. Okay, 3 spinning tops and possibly a doji. I don't know. Yes, there is uncertainty here. Looking at the larger picture, there is much more of a certainty. Barring the tariff deadline which is happening, which could happen on 9th of July, there is general sort of sense of certainty in the market, and that is being shown in the India VIX. India VIX is at 12.2. I will show you the chart of India VIX. Consider this as an education. Okay. So for everyone's information, look at where India VIX is currently. The day chart of India VIX, which is the volatility index. It is at some of the lowest positions. Okay, of the past, let us say past few months, 6-7 months, at among the lowest position, not the lowest position, but among the lowest position. An average of VIX can be, we'll check a moving average of VIX. Moving average exponential, not the 9-day. We'll just go for at least the 50-day moving average of VIX. Look where the average of VIX is. VIX is at 14.95. Okay, so that is generally the average where it can happen between 14 and 15. rising to 550, trap is what I feel. Else if it can break the day's high, then possibly yes, I can bet on it with some more certainty, but until then, trap. Yeah, last 20-25 minutes, yes. So this is Nifty, this where is Sensex again. See the Sensex chart of Sensex. Sensex cooling off. I mean, yeah, that's the option. I'm sorry. Yeah. Sensex again is playing there in that range of 83,700, high of 723. Okay. Spinning top, spinning top, spinning top, doji. Continuous spinning tops and a doji. I think it's time for Sensex to come down to 83,600 to 550 range to take a break, and if it is going up further, that will have definite strength. Sweeping up some of the liquidity, some of the hunting some of the stop losses here, then we'll see. And our positions. Go for even after 0.7% up. Nothing considerable here. And my holdings 0.43% up. Now here you can see the reason why I was warning everyone. Be very careful with call options if at all you have. Call options not looking much positive. Despite the bullishness we saw. Yes, we saw bullishness. Yes, I know we saw bullishness, but you also have to check the positions of call sellers or put sellers. So they are positioned strong at that position. At 23,550 also still there are more call sellers. Now that there could be a reversal, we'll see. We'll see how they are changing their positions. Yeah. Not enough, not enough. Improved call sellers again. Again, I think trap. I think it's a trap. I don't think bullishness is coming back until at least 560 is broken. No, I don't think so. Okay, so who all are in the stream, please consider liking the stream. We have officially approached 700 subscribers. Thank you everyone for your support. Going to 1K soon. Very possibly 1K soon. We'll see. Yeah, 705 subscribers now. Okay, 5 more in the past 10 minutes, I guess. Going to hitting 550. Nothing much. Yeah, go for giving some relief. .9 to 1.7. Testing the day's high now. Yes, a possible entry here. So I'm considering 84,200 call now. I'm just keeping it ready. 84,200. Load. 84,200. Sensex call of 8 June expiry. Yeah, I'm just keeping it ready. Yes, I'm entering. Okay, I'm entering 5 lots, only 5 lots at around 230. And I'll also track Nifty, Sensex looking good, 230, order placed. Oh, insufficient. I'll have to exit some of my positions to enter that. So I'll exit better my call options. I'll better exit my call options before I can enter something here. Hopefully I should be having funds now. Yes. So I'm just entering 5 lots at because now the 550 the sellers are improving. I mean put sellers are improving. Things looking good for 550 now. I mean improving. Still call sellers are higher, put sellers are improving again. This should be fine, I guess. Just waiting. Oh, see, we almost escaped, right? Samad says good morning doctor. Samad വരാൻ വേണ്ടി കാത്തിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു ഞാൻ. നമ്മുടെ ടൂള് കാണിക്കാം, നമ്മുടെ സൈറ്റ് ഇത് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന സീക്രട്ട് വെബ്സൈറ്റിൽ നിന്ന് സമത് വിളിക്കുന്ന ഒരുപാട് പേർക്ക് അറിയാവുന്ന നമ്മുടെ ഡേറ്റാ സെന്റർ RBL Bank ബുള്ളിഷ് സൈഡ് തന്നെയാണോ? ഓക്കെ, RBL Bank കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം എന്തോ ഒരു അനൗൺസ്മെന്റ് ഉണ്ടായി, സം പാർട്ട്ണർഷിപ്പ് എന്തോ ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന ഒരു സ്പെക്കുലേഷൻ ഉണ്ടായി. ബട്ട് ദെൻ ദി അതോറിറ്റി കെയിം ആൻഡ് സെഡ് ദർ ഇസ് നത്തിങ് ആസ് സച്ച്, ദർ വാസ് സം സോർട്ട് ഓഫ് ന്യൂസ്. അത് കാരണമാണ് RBL Bank കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം ഇറ്റ് ടുക്ക് എ ഹിറ്റ്. Okay, അത് കാരണമാണ് കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം വീണത്. ആൻഡ് ദർ ഇസ് നത്തിങ് മച്ച് റോങ് വിത്ത് ദി ഫണ്ടമെന്റൽസ് ഓഫ് RBL Bank. I don't think so. And today, see again, it is performing 1% up. It is fine. RBL Bank is fine. I still remain bullish on RBL Bank. If I look at the valuation trend line, Trend line valuation. Yeah. RBL Bank. The valuation is 39.3, which is fair enough. Okay, which is fair enough. 15,000 crore, which is a mid cap company, fair enough valuation. And yes, I think time to book some profits in RBL Bank is what I believe. Nifty at 550, forming kind of a gravestone doji. Very uncertain here, very uncertain here. Again, ഇതുപോലെ ഇന്നത്തെ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ ഇതുപോലെ സംഭവിച്ചപ്പോഴാണ്. See, we had something like a gravestone doji here. Then the market immediately next candle gave an engulfing candle closing above this one. So അതുപോലെ ഒന്ന് ഇനിയും കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ possibly we can repeat it, right? So you can hide all drawings here. So ഇവിടെ നമുക്കൊരു ഗ്രേവ് സ്റ്റോൺ ഡോജി, വെരി സിമിലർ ടു ഗ്രേവ് സ്റ്റോൺ ഡോജി നമുക്കിവിടെ ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. അതിനുശേഷം മാർക്കറ്റ് മേഡ് എൻഗൾഫിംഗ് ക്യാൻഡിൽ ഹിയർ. Engulfing candle here. So here also we have something like a, see, the color doesn't matter. Okay, gravestone doji, color doesn't matter, it's a doji basically. So ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് again ഒരു engulfing candle കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ then we can say the buyers are in strength. And some of the, yes, this is the one we are using. Wait. This is the one we are using. So this is 915trade.com. 915 trade ആണ്. ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പല the data കാണാം. Okay, so I'll come to all those things. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു തരാം. And before that, is it Sensex doing the same? Yeah, Sensex is also doing the very similar thing. It is 915trade.com. കേട്ടോ സമതെ, ഞാൻ അതിലേക്ക് വരാം. Sensex is approaching the day's high again, but not yet. We'll see. Waiting for that. So 915trade.com എന്നുള്ളതാണ് വെബ്സൈറ്റ്. ഇതാണ് 9:15 മാർക്കറ്റ് ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യുക. Okay, so they have named it after the opening time of the market. So 915trade.com. So I have the premium feature of 915trade.com. I had purchased it. Okay, so that is why I am able to see all the live charts. If you want to see the live charts, live data, you have to take the premium membership. Seems, yeah. $560, Sensex at 730, another 2 minutes to close. Yeah, this should be going up. Yeah, now I am ready to enter my 5 lots. Okay, I am looking, I am considering more and more bullishness here. So 5 lots at 235 is what I am going to enter. Yes, I have entered. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, so things looking bullish. And my stop loss will be at 205. Okay, so 100 into, I'll lose 30, which is 3,000, which is still affordable, which is fine. Okay, so that will be my SL at around 205, because I don't want to be taking a huge risk here. If you can see, my deployed capital is 100 into 235, which is 23,500. Of that, if I lose 3,000, it should be fine. Yeah, I'll have my stop loss set. Oh, yeah, yes. Trigger price at 206 and limit at 205.8. Yeah, whatever. So again, to everyone, this is our position today. We have entered 84,200 call of Sensex 8th July expiry at around 235. Now trading at 227. So our stop loss will be 205 to 206 range, and our target will remain above 260, because if the breakout is to happen, which I believe is happening, because now the buyers are showing strength. Okay, and I can also see that the, yes, at 550, yes, there are more sellers, but again the put sellers are also improving their position now. So I believe a breakout is around the corner. At 232 now, yes, should be breaking away. And I have 5 lots. I'll book some of my quantity at if I look for, let's say, 15%, it should be somewhere around 265, right? That is where I will be aiming to book my first lot, and I'll keep updating my SL. Anyway, I'll book a set of quantity, because I know 25,600 will act as a resistance for Nifty. So Sensex also 83,850 range will be a resistance. So if it is breaking out, I can hold on. If it breaks out, definitely I can hold on for any longer, but I'll not be holding for much below 20. I'll be booking some quantity at 25,600 range, which is around 83,850 range for Sensex. And I have capped my loss at somewhere close to 3,000 rupees, almost 10%. I have capped my loss, maximum loss. So which means I'll still be in relative profits in our expiry day. So which is fair enough for me. $705 subscribers now. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for your support. Good support. Wonderful, wonderful support. Thank you so much. ഞാനെൻ്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റി ബുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ വെച്ചിട്ടില്ല. അത് കുറച്ച് മാനുവലായിട്ട് ചെയ്യാം എന്നാണ് വിചാരിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. I'll be booking only, my profit booking will be done manually. The others I have, stop loss I have set automatically. I have predefinedly set it done. If this expiry is the day when 25,600 is broken, who knows, right? It is a possibility. Now again, chalo, we'll keep tracking the OI data. Yes, the put buyers are improving at 550. Good. Not heavy improvement, but they are at least not leaving their position. They are slightly improving. Put sellers. Basically buyers in the market. I think this could play around here for some while and it might still go up. I want to take a slight chance, and just I am modifying my SL order to 200, not 205, so that if at all it is an accidental coming down and I pull back up, I don't want to miss out on something. So 200.5 and 200 best. So I'm just taking that slight extra buffer if I can get a rally. If at all an accidental pull down happens, I don't want to get my SL hit. Again, that is purely down to me. The SLU set should definitely be according to your risk appetite, your capital, your target and everything. Definitely yes. Okay, so please be careful with that. My SL will remain at 200 and I will add some more quantity if I get it at 210. So let me play around with this. Just three loads. If I get it at 210 to 15 range. Yes, you can see all my orders here. I'll add some more quantity if I get it around 215, and my stop loss again will remain the same. There is no change in the stop loss. I'm just taking some more risk. That's it. Nifty consolidate cheyyana. Yes, consolidate cheyyana, and I think this is the consolidation before I think now that technically it is positive, even the volume indicates hint of positivity. Yes, there is nothing positive and above 600, it has to be said, but 550 is proving positive again. At 550 I can see positivity. Yes, so 215 is hit. Okay. Modify heat loads at, yes. So I have added some more quantity at 215, small quantity. Only 3 loads I have added at 215, and I am waiting for Sensex and both Nifty and Sensex to get a rally after this one. Generally looking bullish, sort of only a small pullback. We'll see how it turns out. Yeah. നോക്കാം നിഫ്റ്റി കൺസോൾട്ടേഷൻ ചെയ്യാണ് സുഗിനേഷ്. യെസ്, അതൊരു റാലിയുടെ നടുക്ക് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ആക്ച്വലി റിക്വയർഡ്. ചെറിയൊരു കൺസോൾട്ടേഷൻ റിക്വയർഡ് ആണ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ചെറിയൊരു പുൾ ബാക്ക് റിക്വയർഡ് ആണ്. സോ നൗ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് കമ്മിങ് ഡൗൺ. പക്ഷെ എന്തൊക്കെ വന്നാലും നമ്മുടെ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് ഹിറ്റാണ്, സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് സെറ്റാണ്. നമുക്ക് അവിടെ ഒരു പരിധിയിൽ കൂടുതൽ നഷ്ടം വരെ നമുക്ക് എന്തായാലും പറ്റില്ല. ആൻഡ് ഐ വിൽ സ്റ്റിൽ ബി ഇൻ പ്രോഫിറ്റ്സ് ഇൻ എക്സ്പയറി ഡേ. സോ there is no big concern there. പക്ഷെ പ്രീമിയം കൺസിഡറബിളി താഴേക്ക് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഈസ് ഗോയിങ് ടു ഹിറ്റ് അവർ SL മോസ്റ്റ് പ്രോബബ്ലി. സോ 3000 രൂപ നഷ്ടത്തിലാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഓടുന്നത്. വിൽ സി. എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു 205 വെച്ചിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഹിറ്റ് ആയേനെ ഐ തിങ്ക്. ഫോർ സം റീസൺ ഇതുവരെ ഹിറ്റ് ആയിട്ടില്ല നമ്മുടെ SL. ഇറ്റ് വാസ് ഗുഡ് ദാറ്റ് വി കെപ്റ്റ് ഇറ്റ് അറ്റ് 200. $3938. And my holdings currently 0.3 up, Nifty 0.35 up, so barabar somewhere there. അല്ല, അത് അപ്ഡേറ്റഡ് ആവാത്തതാണ്. സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് ഈസ് 100 ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റി അല്ല, 160 ഉണ്ട്. അത് ചാർട്ടിൽ അപ്ഡേറ്റ് ആവാത്തതാണ് ഡാനിഷ്. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്. യെസ്, ഞാനിപ്പോൾ എക്സ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന കൺസോൾട്ടേഷന് ശേഷം ബുള്ളിഷ് ബ്രേക്ക്ഔട്ട് ആണ്. അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് അണ്ടിൽ 25,600 ഈസ് വാട്ട് ഐ എക്സ്പെക്ട്. SL quantity 160 തന്നെയാണ്. Okay. Yeah, thank you Danish for that kind concern. Thank you so much. Sensex at 720. So 227 to 200, almost 12% അല്ലേ? 12% ആണ് നമ്മുടെ SL. So that is fine. നമ്മൾ ടാർഗറ്റ് എടുത്താലും വിൽ ബി ടേക്കിംഗ് ലൈക്ക് 260 വിത്ത് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് ലോട്ട്. ബാക്കി ദ റെസ്റ്റ് വിൽ സി ലേറ്റർ. അങ്ങനെ ട്രെയിലിംഗ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ്. സോ risk to reward again is favorable. There is not a big concern there. At 210. 208. Nifty at 720. Nifty ഒത്തിരി വീണിട്ടില്ല അതിന് ശേഷം 730. I mean Sensex 729 to 730 റേഞ്ചിൽ തന്നെയാണ് ഉള്ളത്. നമ്മുടെ ലൈവ് P&L ആണ് നിങ്ങളവിടെ കാണുന്നത്. 2300 ലോസിലാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ. ഓക്കെ, 2200 2300 ലോസിലാണ് പോകുന്നത് വിത്ത് 160 ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റി. എവിടെ നമ്മുടെ ഗ്രീൻ ക്യാൻഡിൽസ് എവിടെ? 550, Sensex 750. So I'll parallelly show Sensex charts here. Sensex, yes, our SL is hit. Oh, SL correct ആയിട്ട് ഹിറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് പോയിട്ടുണ്ട്. And we have made a loss of close to 4000 there. Yes, 4000 loss ഉണ്ട് അവിടെ. Still expiry day profits ആണ്. But again, our SL is hit in this case at 227 to 200, which is 12.5%, 12 to 12.5%. Decent enough profit. I mean, decent enough loss, very much affordable loss, which definitely we can make it up the next day. So, ഞാൻ live ആയിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ പൊസിഷൻസ് കാണിക്കാം. Okay, so these are our positions today. നമുക്ക് ഇതായിരുന്നു നമ്മുടെ ട്രേഡ്. This was our trade. 84,200 call. We made 4,400 loss there. And expiry day comparing to others, നമ്മൾ പ്രോഫിറ്റിലാണ്. Okay, so നമ്മൾ 25,050 ആണ് നമ്മുടെ പുട്ടുള്ളത്. ആൻഡ് നമുക്ക് ഇനിയും ഇൻഫാക്ട് കുറച്ച് ഫണ്ട് ബാക്കിയുണ്ട്, നമ്മളത് യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് we'll improve our portions from 25,050 to possibly 25,200 എല്ലാം കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യാം, 250 300 എല്ലാം കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. ലെറ്റ് us see if some sort of a movement comes. Okay, ആൻഡ് എന്തുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്യും എന്നുള്ളത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ചാർട്ടിൽ കാണാം. ഓക്കെ, 25,550 PE, 16 points profit. ഓക്കെ, നിഫ്റ്റിയിലാണ് ചെയ്തത്. ഓക്കെ, ഫൈൻ പ്രദീപ്. സോ പ്രദീപിന് ഇന്ന് നല്ലൊരു ദിവസമാണ്. Okay, at least some of us making profits, so we'll definitely make profits. I am not at all concerned about my SL being hit. Never an issue. It is just that I'll have to make better profits. Adu definitely ഞാൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കും. Okay, so that is one. And Nifty Sensex is now sort of pulling down. Only Nifty trade. Okay. ഞാനും പ്രദീപ് predominantly നിഫ്റ്റി തന്നെയാണ്. നിഫ്റ്റിയാണ്. ബിക്കോസ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എക്സ്പയറി ടുഡേ. നമുക്ക് ഇതിന് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഇല്ലല്ലോ. ലൈക്ക് we can't afford to have too much time ഡീക്കേ ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് ഒരു പൊസിഷൻ എടുത്തിട്ട് അത് സംഭവിക്കാൻ കുറച്ച് ടൈം എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മുടെ പ്രീമിയം ഡീക്കേ സംഭവിക്കും എന്നുള്ളത് കൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ സെൻസെക്സിൽ വന്നതാണ്. സോ ജൂൺ ഈസ് ഡൺ, ജൂലൈ. യെസ്, സോ ജൂലൈയിൽ നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പോൾ മാസം തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടുള്ളൂ. ദിസ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് എക്സ്പയറി. and not going exactly as planned, but we can plan for a hero zero trade later. Possibly afternoon ഒരു ഹീറോ സീറോ ട്രേഡ് പോലും നമുക്ക് കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. അതിൽ നമുക്ക് പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാവാനുള്ള പോസിബിലിറ്റി ഉണ്ട്. ബിക്കോസ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് സോർട്ട് ഓഫ് നൗ ഐ തിങ്ക് കുറച്ചും കൂടെ ഒന്ന് നോക്കട്ടെ. ഇഫ് ദിസ് ടേൺസ് ഔട്ട് ടു ബി എ ട്രെൻഡിങ് എക്സ്പയറി നമുക്ക് എവിടെയെങ്കിലും നല്ല ഒരു പൊസിഷൻ കിട്ടാൻ ചാൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഇഫ് നിഫ്റ്റി ക്യാൻ കം ഡൗൺ ടു ദ ഡേസ് ലോ, ഡേയുടെ ലോയിലേക്ക് വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ എയ്തർ സൈഡിലേക്ക് നല്ല മൂവ്മെന്റ് ഉണ്ടാവാനുള്ള ചാൻസ് ഉണ്ട്, വിച്ച് വി ക്യാൻ ക്യാപിറ്റലൈസ്. നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. ഇഫ് സെൻസെക്സ് ക്യാൻ കം ഡൗൺ ഓർ നിഫ്റ്റി എക്സ്പയറി ആണ്, ഇഫ് നിഫ്റ്റി ക്യാൻ കം ഡൗൺ ടു ദി somewhere near the 450s, let us see how it happens. Okay, so that is our first trade for today. നമ്മൾ കുറേ കാത്തിരുന്നു, നല്ല ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി ആണെന്ന് കരുതിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എടുത്താണ്. ബട്ട് അഗെയിൻ മാർക്കറ്റ് ഹിറ്റ് ഓർ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ്, സോ വിച്ച് ഈസ് വെരി ഫെയർ എനഫ്. ദ ലോസ് വി ഹാവ് മെയ്ഡ് ഈസ് വെരി മച്ച് അഫോർഡബിൾ, നോട്ട് അറ്റ് ഓൾ ആൻ ഇഷ്യൂ. സ്റ്റിൽ നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടു നമ്മൾ ഇന്നും പ്രോഫിറ്റ്സിലാണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് നെവർ എൻ ഇഷ്യൂ. വി വിൽ കം അപ്പ് വിത്ത് ബെറ്റർ ട്രേഡ്സ്, better positions, better trades, everything. We'll also keep tracking the OI data as well as the volumes of everything. Yes. It is coming down now. Okay, നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. So anyway, let me take a break, take a pause for 10 minutes. Okay, we'll 10 to 15 minutes. We'll be back by 11:15. Okay, so we'll be back by 11:15. Right, 11:15 AM IST. ഇനി ആരെങ്കിലും പുറത്തുനിന്ന് കാണുന്നവരൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഓക്കെ, സോ വിൽ ബി ബാക്ക് ബൈ 11:15 AM. ലെറ്റ് മീ ജസ്റ്റ് ടേക്ക് എ ഷോർട്ട് ബ്രേക്ക് ആൻഡ് വിൽ ബി ബാക്ക്. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്. താങ്ക്സ് എവരി വൺ ഫോർ ട്യൂണിങ് ഇൻ. നമ്മൾ അതിശക്തമായിട്ട് വീണ്ടും വിൽ ബി ബാക്ക് വിത്ത് ഗുഡ് ട്രേഡ്സ്. പോസിബിളി പറ്റുമോ നോക്കാം, നമുക്ക് ഇന്ന് തന്നെ ഇത് തിരിച്ചു പിടിക്കാം. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്. ഐ വിൽ ബി ബാക്ക് സൂൺ. Hello everyone. Hello. Yes. 11:14 നമ്മൾ തിരിച്ചെത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. We are back by 11:14. Yes. Yes. Only few watching now. Fine. Chalo. Yes, against നമ്മുടെ expectation, Nifty or Sensex, ഞാൻ കണ്ടിരുന്നു, I was tracking this. We expected Sensex to go up, താഴെ വന്ന് നമ്മുടെ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് ഒക്കെ ഹിറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് ഹണ്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വീണ്ടും തിരിച്ച് മുകളിലേക്ക് പോയിട്ടുണ്ട്. പക്ഷേ again Nifty playing it out definitively there. നമ്മുടെ OI data suggests see huge resistance at 600. 600 വളരെ വലിയ റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആണ് ഇപ്പോഴുള്ളത്. So I don't want to be so very bullish again. No, I don't want to be hugely bullish again. $25,550 C 20 points. ഓക്കെ, പ്രദീപ് ഇന്നത്തെ എക്സ്പയറിയിലാണോ കളിക്കുന്നത്? അപ്പോൾ ഒരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യാം, നമുക്ക് പ്രദീപിനെ നമ്മുടെ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമിലേക്ക് വിളിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, എന്നിട്ട് പ്രദീപിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് നമുക്ക് ചാനൽ ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പറയാം. പ്രദീപ് ആകുമ്പോൾ ഇഷ്ടം പോലെ ട്രേഡ്സും ഇഷ്ടം പോലെ ട്രേഡുകളും നല്ല പ്രോഫിറ്റ് റേഷ്യോസും ഉള്ളതായിട്ടാണ് കാണുന്നത്. വെരി ഗുഡ് പ്രദീപ്, വെരി ഗുഡ്. സോ ഹാപ്പി ഫോർ whatever profits we are making, coming here and letting us know everything. Thank you so much. Vishnu Srikumar says hi Vishnu. Yes, looking bullish again. Yes, Nifty looking bullish again. The thing being, see the selling at 600. ഇതാണ് 25,600. This is what is happening. So ഓവർ നോക്കരുത്, ബിഗ് ട്രാപ്പ് ആണ്. പ്രദീപ്, if that is your view, okay. പക്ഷേ ഞാൻ ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ ഇപ്പോൾ ട്രേഡ് SL ഹിറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. പക്ഷേ ഞാൻ OI ഡേറ്റ നോക്കി തന്നെ, വോളിയം നോക്കിയിട്ട് തന്നെ ട്രേഡ് ചെയ്യാറുള്ള ആളാണ്. So that strategy has been working for me for many, a big period now. So yes, definitely. And ഞാൻ പറയട്ടെ, ഞാൻ എടുത്തപ്പോഴും ഞാൻ ടെക്നിക്കാലിറ്റി നോക്കുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോഴും 25,600 ഹ്യൂജ് റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആയി നിന്നിരുന്നു. സത്യം പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് അവിടെ ചെറിയൊരു എറർ പറ്റി എന്ന് തന്നെ വേണം പറയാൻ. So we make a mistake, we just accept it. We just made an error. So 25,600 I still believe. Yes, again, yes. ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ചാർട്ട് ഈസ് വൺ തിങ്, ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി യെസ്. പക്ഷെ ഞാൻ നോക്കുക, ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ചാർട്ട് നോക്കൂ. ഇവിടെ ഫ്യൂച്ചേഴ്സിൽ ദർ ഈസ് കൺസിഡറബിൾ, മീൻസ് വെരി ഗുഡ് ഫൈറ്റ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ബയേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് സെല്ലേഴ്സ്. അവിടെ നല്ല ഫൈറ്റ് നടക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് ദ OI chart has been working for us now, means until now. Today, of course, it didn't work. I accept that. I totally accept that. We have made a loss, yes. But again, that is your trading system, trading psychology, whatever. I totally respect that 100%. ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ഒരു സൈക്കോളജി ഇത്ര കാലമായിട്ട് മുന്നോട്ട് പോയിരുന്നതിൽ let me go through that. And if I find it faulty later, definitely I am ready to accept that also. So ഇതുവരെ കുഴപ്പമില്ല, ഇതുവരെ everything is going fine. കഴിഞ്ഞ മാസങ്ങളിലൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ലാഭം ഉണ്ടാക്കിയ എല്ലാം ഇത് ട്രാക്ക് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടൊക്കെ തന്നെയാണ്. So let's see. No. 25,550. I think we could possibly get a very good hero zero trade. Current positions, some of the positions, yes, of course, a bull put spread under, which is like done, almost done. Positions are realized on. We are not doing anything. Go for the position on, profits generally. Okay. So bull put spread positions, we are done with it. In fact, I have, yes, some funds left with me so that I can add to my positions. But again, I don't think I will get any considerable profits today. We are done. But we will possibly have a hero zero trade by the end of the day. Somewhere near 1:30 to 2, somewhere there we'll see. Nifty is looking bullish again. Generally bullish. OI as well as even the futures volume, the overall volume is just being played around there. Nifty at 565. Anyway. Nifty trying to break the day's high. Yes, Nifty is breaking the day's high. Definitely, we can again go for another position if you would like to, but again, considering 25,600 will be a resistance. I'm not into anything right now because it may not be exactly 600. So above 600 only is where I will be going for a position. So I will be trading only above this level. Okay. അതിന് മുകളിൽ പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ I can still get 26,000 or the all time high whatever. So until then I'm not into any trades because I feel this might be trap. Okay, so I don't want to trade there. Again നമ്മുടെ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് അടിച്ചിട്ട് again മുകളിലേക്ക് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് സ്വാഭാവികം. It's fine, but I am trying out multiple things here. Yes, okay, trade like Berlin എന്ന ചാനൽ അറിയാമോ? Someone asking. No, not yet. എനിക്കറിയില്ല. Okay, മാർക്കറ്റ് പ്രൊഫൈൽ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ? Can you make it more specific, Suginesh? Views for you. Nifty 25,300 CE next week ഇപ്പോൾ അപ്പ് ആകും. 366ൽ പോയി നിൽക്കും. Okay. Okay, happy to have multiple comments, multiple views about this one. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Basically, thanks for everyone's participation. Basically, thank you for that. No, illilla. Market profile tool use ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. ഇല്ലില്ല. $25,500 or 25,500 heavy now. See this, and I am entering something below 25,500. This swing low. Okay, I could be entering something here. നമുക്കിതിന് we'll, for the time being, we'll give it a green color, and we don't want this. Okay, so between this red and this green, I don't want to trade. In the meanwhile, I am just trying out multiple things here. Yes, this is a heavy red candle being formed here. See, ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ 25,600 നമ്മൾ മാർക്കറ്റ് ഡേയുടെ ഹൈ എല്ലാം ക്രോസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, ശരിയാണ്. പക്ഷേ അഗെയിൻ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് പ്രൂവിങ് വർത്ത് വൈൽ. ഒരു 25,600 ഹെവി സെല്ലിംഗ് ഉള്ള ഏരിയ ആണ് എന്ന് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു. ആൻഡ് ടെക്നിക്കലിയും നമുക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസങ്ങളിലെല്ലാം വൺസ്, ട്വൈസ്, ത്രൈസ്, 3-4 തവണ എല്ലാം നമുക്ക് അവിടെ റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഉള്ള ഏരിയ ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ അവിടെ ഒരു കോൾ ഓപ്ഷൻ വീണ്ടും എൻ്റർ ചെയ്തില്ല. നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാമായിരുന്നു, പക്ഷെ വീണ്ടും നമ്മൾ എൻ്റർ ചെയ്തില്ല. ആൻഡ് നൗ വി ആർ ബീങ് പ്രൂവൻ റൈറ്റ്. സോ അഗെയിൻ ഒരിക്കൽ നമ്മൾ ട്രാപ്പായി. യെസ്, വി വേർ ട്രാപ്പ്, ബട്ട് possibly not again. We'll hopefully not get trapped again. And I think there is no considerable up movement. Definitely not about 25,700. 25,700 can be considered resistance. So if I can improve upon my strategy, 25,700 call, sell, and 25,900 call buy, you can still get 0.4% there. Yeah, so I'll go for 750 and 950. Yes, better to be on the safer side. So I will add to my positions here 6 lots. I can go for 7 lots. Yeah, 7 lots. I will make another somewhere close to some 1,000 rupee there. So I'll just trade all using Sensible, and I'll show my positions here. Okay, place solid market. Yeah. So this should have come in my positions now. Yes. So ഇതാണ് നമ്മൾ latest add ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന positions. 25,750 call short and 25,950 call short. So that is at 2 rupees 75 paise and 65 paise. So that is giving me around 0.3% profit, 0.35%. Or sorry, I'm sorry, 0.2% profit, whatever. And 0.2% in 3 hours time, it is a very significant profit. That is somewhere around only 1,000 rupee for me, which is okay trade. I think I'll still have some fund left with me. Yes, so I can use that if at all required. My view being not heavily bullish on Nifty. Even if Nifty moves by another 150 point today, I am still safe. Even if Nifty moves another 150 points, I see Nifty to be bearish, Nifty turning bearish. So I will also make up for some of the losses which I made in my Sensex position, some losses which I made here. So I will make up almost 1/4 of that. I will definitely make up. The rest, possibly in one trade tomorrow, we can definitely cover it up. So that is also not an issue. Yes. So these are our positions today. If you can see on the screen live. Expiry ഡേയിൽ നമ്മൾ ലോസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ട് പോലും നമ്മൾ ഓവറോൾ പ്രോഫിറ്റിലാണ്. അഗൈൻ ബിഗ് താങ്ക്സ് ടു കോഫോഴ്സ് ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി. പക്ഷെ അല്ലാതെ തന്നെയും വി വുഡ് ഹാവ് ബീൻ ഫ്ലാറ്റ്. So 750 call sell. So at where is Nifty at? Nifty is at 550 again in this range. $6.2 million. Nifty playing in the 530 to 580 levels. It has been almost like I think 2 hours now. 2 hours that Nifty has been playing above 520, just sustaining there. But I can't see this one sustaining for long until and unless the sellers at 600 change so much. Fando in July, yes. So I expect Nifty to go down now further. Oh, just when we said that, okay. I expect Nifty to go down, and going down would mean I will just play Nifty for the next week expiry. If Nifty can go below the 520 levels, okay, I think there is further down movement, possibly even possible to the day's low that it has consolidated here for so long. So okay, I will have my 25,400 P. Oh, not 3rd July, not 3rd July. 25,400 of 10th July put option. I'll just keep it ready. Is at 91. If it can get to the 96, 97 ranges, we'll see. We'll see how this behaves. Okay, so the 25,400 put option. So we are not dealing in Sensex now. We are going with yes. We are trying to deal in 25,400 put. But if and only if it can break the 520, the level to the bottom. So this is my view today. My view, mild bearish again until Nifty not just crosses, sustains above 25,600. Okay, sustains above 25,600. Okay, until Nifty sustains about 25,600. So this is my view, my view. Okay, only if Nifty can sustain above the 25,600, then only I will turn my view to bullish. Until then, it can even possibly hit the day's low also. That is also possible. This is showing signs of breaking down possibly. Yes, and this is the one we should be targeting, I guess. So I'll just play with 3 lots again here. ഒരുപാട് quantity illa. Okay, no stop loss. So this is going down. Told you. So I'll place my order at 98. Hopefully it gets hit because there is some cooling off which could happen. I have placed it at 98 and I am just waiting for this one to be hit. You can even consider 100. 750 ഇനി അപ്പാകാൻ സാധ്യതയുണ്ട്. 750 PE will be 0. $750 PE എങ്ങനെയാണ് 0 ആവുക? I didn't get that. Okay, 750 PE I didn't understand how 750 PE can go to 0 because Nifty is at 25,500 and that how much is at 750 now? 750 should now be at around 250 points. Or are you talking about the call option? Okay, should be the 750 PE 0 എന്നുള്ള fail better. No, see, I hope you understand. See, put option എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് basically the trade's over. Okay, good. Okay, so put option basically if Nifty finishes at 25,500, the 750 PE will go to 250 rupees. I hope you get that. There should not be any confusion regarding that. It is at 100 now. 101. I have placed it at 98 and I will be holding that long. And I have placed only 3 quantities, 3 lots. So if at all required, if margin reduces and things don't look bad, I can even average another 2 or 3 more lots lower. Let's say if at all I get that. Okay. I hope I'll get that because 25,500 might take some time to be broken, but most probably I think is gonna be taken out. I think we are missing out on something. Let's see. കാരണം ഇതിനു മുന്നേ നമ്മളൊരു സോളിഡ് റെഡ് ക്യാൻഡിൽ വന്ന സമയത്ത് there were 2 breaks, 2 candles, ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു ഗ്രീൻ ക്യാൻഡിൽ and another doji സംഭവിച്ചിരുന്നു. And this previous candle gave a premium spike also, so ഒന്ന് cool off ആവാൻ സമയം എടുക്കണം. I think we'll get it at 98. I still think, yeah. But else, see, there is another beauty. ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്കിത് കിട്ടിയില്ല എന്നിരിക്കട്ടെ, we are still managing profits with our short positions. So നമ്മുടെ short positions again ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട് already. നമ്മൾ 750 call short ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. Obviously it should be going to 0, and the rest we will see. Okay, Pradeep says in the trade's over. Oh, good day, good day. Hope you had a very good day, Pradeep. Krishnan Oman asking, yeah, ഇനി അപ്പാകാൻ സാധ്യതയുണ്ടോ? The 750 call, I don't think market is going to go up now. I find very less chance today. I don't think so. Yeah, there's a spike towards the upside. We missed out on it. But 750 P will be 0 again. Fail better. I think you have to be careful there. It is going to 750 call will be 0. Put will definitely go to 250 or whatever value it is. Okay. Yeah. So this is happening now. We missed out on this. It had come down to 100. We placed it at 98. Didn't hit. So it's fine. We'll see if we can get another entry. Yeah, Pradeep says thanks. Very good day, Pradeep. Well done, very well done. Oh. 500 is taken out now. Let me see what 500 brings us. And there should be a crossover. Yes, there has been a crossover of call sellers. Yes. Again, we have just fixed our order there. We have not changed it. I'll still be happy if it hits, but I don't seriously think so. But if it hits, if at all it is hitting, let it hit. Crude oil trade ചെയ്യാറുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല, I am not into commodities yet, Pradeep. Not into commodities yet. We are expanding our channel to crypto options soon. But again, soon will be like, I need some time. I have started trading in that, but I want some more time to be doing it in public space, right? So some time would mean probably 2 to 3 months. Yeah, probably 2 to 3 months, and we'll definitely be there. And commodities, gold, silver and crypto. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so full-time trader ആണ് അല്ലേ പ്രദീപ്? Better. So we'll do that. Commodities will be after that. Crypto options first, then commodities. We'll see. We'll definitely see. Good, good, good. Again, my view remains mild bearish, as I have said earlier itself. Okay, so I said that when Nifty was at around playing around 550. Okay, so that time itself we had said this. So again, our view remains the same, mild bearish. Until and unless Nifty crosses 25,600, I don't see much of a positivity coming in. It has to cross 600 and sustain 600. Most importantly, it has to sustain. Then we will see. Coming down to 103 now. If 98 is hit, I am still happy there. I don't think it is going to go up too much further. I'll be happy there. Because at 25,500, it is the call sellers. It is the call sellers at 25,500. Come down to the hundreds. $99. $98.8. Waiting for our position to be hit. Not yet. Again, I am not changing my position. Oh, it's already 11:50. Okay, so we'll be closing the stream in another 15 minutes possibly. Okay, I don't think we'll be extending beyond 12:15 and all, because that is generally our time somewhere. So the initial 3 to maximum 3.5 hours in the market, we don't want to be giving too much time doing nothing but trading. No. So we'll hopefully be we will be stopping the stream in another 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this gets hit. It had come down to the 98.5 something. It didn't come to 98. But it will come, is what I believe. Even if it doesn't come, option selling. ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ ട്രേഡ് ഇല്ലേ, 0 to hero. ഹീറോ ട്രേഡ് ചെയ്യുമായിരിക്കും വിഷ്ണു, ബട്ട് ഞാൻ സ്ട്രീം ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടാവില്ല ആഫ്റ്റർനൂണിലേക്കും. വെരി റയർലി ഡു വി സ്ട്രീം. മേ ബി what I'll generally do is ഞാൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് പറയാം. let's say if Nifty is consolidating or trading around 25,500, let's say 25,500, അപ്പോൾ ഒരു 50 points up and 50 points down ഉള്ള ഒരു കോൾ ഓപ്ഷൻ, ഒരു പുട്ട് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഞാൻ ബൈ ചെയ്ത് വെക്കും. So market moves either side, I make profit. I hope you know. So I'll just do that, and I don't think I'll be streaming it here. I don't want to be dwelling on the market for so long. No. അത്ര നേരം ഇരിക്കുമെന്ന് തോന്നില്ല. And Berno says hello. Hello Berno. I think it's a new face to your community, new face to your channel. Hello Berno. Hope you are doing fine. Hope you are having a healthy, good, happy, peaceful life. Yeah. Portfolio is up 0.4% today, and yes, I will just Crizac IPO is going live now. Okay, Crizac IPO is going live, and Farshad Paloli says hi. Hi Farshad. Welcome to Finance with AB. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to our community. Hope you are also having a healthy life. എല്ലാവർക്കും നല്ലൊരു ദിവസം ആണെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ട് സന്തോഷമായിട്ട് നല്ല ട്രേഡൊക്കെ എടുത്ത് നന്നായിട്ടിരിക്കാൻ പറ്റട്ടെ. Let every good thing happen to you. And why am I saying about Crisac IPO? Educational ഫീൽഡിലുള്ള one of the rare companies ആണ് Crisac IPO and Crisac, and the IPO details നമ്മൾ അതിനൊരു എക്സ്ക്ലൂസീവ് വീഡിയോ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Okay, so അതിൻ്റെ ലിങ്ക് yes, I'll be posting it here from one of my parallel channels, parallel accounts. Okay, so this is the Crisac IPO details. Okay, or I'll do one thing, I'll post it from our own channel itself. That would be better, I guess. ഇത്ര കയറിയിട്ടത് 98 ഹിറ്റായില്ല. പക്ഷേ 98 എന്താ ഹിറ്റാവാത്ത? What option selling you did today? Yes, I'll show that now. Okay, so this is the Crisac IPO. So those who are unaware of Crisac IPO or the IPO happening today, please go and watch this video. Definitely നിങ്ങൾക്ക് helpful ആയിരിക്കും, 100% നിങ്ങൾക്ക് helpful ആയിരിക്കും. And you can decide on your own whether you have to apply for the IPO or the rest is up to you. But the details, what you should be knowing, multiple things are there detailed in this video. Please go and check it out. And what option selling you did today? Philip Samuel, yes, Philip Samuel, these are our positions today. നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പോൾ ലേറ്റസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്തതാണ് 750 950 കോൾ സ്പ്രെഡ്. സോ വിച്ച് ഇസ് എ ബെയർ കോൾ സ്പ്രെഡ്. I am bearish on Nifty, slightly bearish, mild bearish. ഞാനിവിടെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്, റൈറ്റ്, നമ്മളിവിടെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട് മൈ വ്യൂ മൈൽഡ് ബെയറിഷ് അണ്ടിൽ നിഫ്റ്റി സസ്റ്റെയിൻസ് അബൌട്ട് 25,600. സോ അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നമ്മൾ ബെയർ കോൾ സ്പ്രെഡ് ആഡ് ചെയ്തു. സോ ഐ ഷോർട്ടഡ് 750 കോൾ ആൻഡ് ബോട്ട് 950 കോൾ, which will give me like 0.2%, and നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ we entered this by after 11:30. Okay, so after 11:30 means it's only matter of 3 to 4 hours in the market. In 3 to 4 hours getting 4%, 0.2% is fine for me. So I am like that kind of a conservative trader. Yes, okay, so and again, oh my god, this did not hit the 98 level. Very bad. I wanted this to hit and I was hoping it would hit. It had come down to 99.6. Anyway, I don't want to be over aggressive and change my position drastically just to get something. IPO apply ചെയ്താലും കിട്ടാൻ പാടില്ല. Yes, IPOs are definitely ലോട്ടറി ആണ്. IPOs കിട്ടാൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ് depending on subscription. We'll also check the subscription of Crisac IPO. Okay, I'll just go to Chittorgarh. I hope you know Chittorgarh. Just go to chittorgarh.com. If I go to IPO and current mainline IPO, I can go to Crisac Limited. Travel food services വരുന്നുണ്ട്, അതിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, and we will be posting it tomorrow in our channel. Okay, so that is also in the making, right? So we'll just look at the subscription data. Retail portion is only subscribed 1.47 times now, only 1.47. So this is the second day of Crisac IPO, and tomorrow also the IPO will be open. So I think the retail portion will go to a maximum of 10 is what I believe from my practical experience until now over the past 5 years. So 1 out of 10 will get the IPO. So if you want to get the IPO, what you should be doing? You should be applying from multiple demat accounts, like from your own family, from your let's say your father, your mother, if you have a wife, your wife, whatever, your husband, okay, whoever it is. So if you apply from multiple accounts and you want to get the IPO, you can improve your chances of getting the IPO. I hope you know, if you apply for multiple lots, there is no use. Okay, once it is oversubscribed, even if you apply for multiple lots, you will get only one lot. അത്രേ കിട്ടുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, അതുകൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ലോട്ട് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നതിൽ കാര്യമില്ല. ഒരു ഡിമാറ്റ് അക്കൗണ്ടിനാണ് ഒരു പ്രോബബിലിറ്റി. സോ ഐ ഹോപ്പ് യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് ആൻഡ് ഡു ആക്ട് നീഡ്ഫുള്ളി. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ദ റെസ്റ്റ് ഈസ് അപ് ടു യു. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ, ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ഇതിലുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് ഐ ജസ്റ്റ് പിൻ ദിസ് കമൻറ്റ് ഹിയർ so that everyone is benefited from this. Yes, so that is the Krizak IPO. വിഷ്ണു ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് ഞാൻ വായിച്ചത് ഇപ്പോൾ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താലും കിട്ടാൻ പാടല്ലേ എന്നാണ് വായിച്ചത്. IPO. Okay, so again these are my positions. And I also have 25,050 put and 850 put, 24,850 put spread, which makes this an iron condor. ഈ 4 കോമ്പിനേഷൻ കൂടെ ചേർന്നിട്ട് this becomes an iron condor. വളരെ മോശം നിഫ്റ്റി. ഞാൻ വളരെ കൺസെൻട്രേറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഒരു 98 ഓർഡർ പ്ലേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് എത്ര വരെ വന്നറിയോ, 98.8 വരെ വന്നിട്ട് തിരിച്ച് മുകളിലേക്ക് പോവുകയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ നിഫ്റ്റി ഷുഡ് ബി ബ്രേക്കിംഗ് ദ ഡേയ്സ് ലോ അഗെയിൻ അവർ വ്യൂ ഈസ് ബീങ് പ്രൂവൺ റൈറ്റ്. മൈൽഡ് ബെയറിഷ് വ്യൂ ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു ഓൾറെഡി. സോ ഐ തിങ്ക് ഇറ്റ് ക്യാൻ അപ്രോച്ച് 25,430 ലെവൽസ് ടു is what I believe. ഇവിടെ കുറച്ച് നേരം കളിച്ചാൽ പോലും again it might not immediately break down, but I believe this is going to break down and go further down. How about the premium, the selling? It is 7 million for the first time today. For the first time ever today, 25,600 there are 7 million sellers. Highest point of the day. Yes, more and more sellers. More sellers at 550, at 500. Even though the sellers are more, let me check. The buyers are also increasing, sellers are also increasing. That is a kind of a fight. But at 550, huge selling. Yeah, no chance it is going to break the 550 and 600 today. Very less chance Nifty will break the 550 or I mean the 600 today itself. Very less chance. In the meanwhile, portfolio is up by 0.5% today. Yeah, holdings portfolio is 0.5 up. RBL Bank leading the charts. Where is Chennai Petro? Down ayallo. Chennai Petro was 3.6% up. Coming down to the hundreds. And this is next week's expiry. So since my view is bearish, I will be waiting until Nifty crosses the 550. Okay, so avade irikkum ende stop loss undavu, or the 560 to be precise. 560 cross ചെയ്താലേ ഞാനത് എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുള്ളൂ. If at all I get an entry, primarily അതാണ് ഞാൻ എൻട്രി കിട്ടണം. I'm just waiting there. 98 entry വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. I may be getting it there. Let's see. We are not civilized. I am hearing a news that India and US are reaching on a trade agreement. India US trade deal. We will have deal for much less tariffs if something. So in that case 25,600 might even be broken and all-time high might be achieved soon, but we'll see. So this is the news. President Donald Trump on Tuesday reaffirmed that India-US will soon strike a trade deal with much less tariffs, allowing both countries to compete. I think we are going to have a deal with India, and that is going to be a different kind of a deal. It is going to be a deal where we are able to go in and compete. Right now, India does not accept anybody in. I think India is going to do that, and if they do that, we are going to have a deal for much less tariffs. ട്രംപിന്റെ വ്യൂ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് the way Trump had calculated everyone's international tariff itself was like out of this world. That the difference in the trade deficit divided by total exports, that is the percentage he calculated, and that in many senses, in many sense it is absurd. Okay, in many a sense it is actually very absurd that the calculation the president of United States did, because that is in fact not correct, and the tariff which US is applying on others will it depends on many parameters, but at least as per many of the analysts, many of the forecast predictors, everyone, it is going to shoot inflation in the US much more, and it is going to backfire, mostly going to backfire. So still we know the aggressive leader Trump, he is as he is, but coming up with something which does not make much of a sense. So since nothing much is happening in the market, even we are about to close our stream, okay, we will be winding up the session, winding up the stream in another possibly 5 minutes. I have written out my view, I have showed my positions, and if at all you can read something out of it and it can help you, I will be most happy with that. Thank you everyone for supporting basically, and this is the last few minutes. I've got some other works to do as well regarding the travel food services IPO which is coming up. That video shooting is pending, because it was yesterday only that all the details of the IPO was out, the date, the price band, everything, and multiple other things, video series shooting, multiple things are parallelly going on. We are doing things. So we want to come up to you with good quality content, good quality educational content which will help you better in the long run. നമ്മൾ കുറേ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, പാരലി ചെയ്ത് പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ ഇനീഷ്യൽ ഫേസ് ആയതുകൊണ്ടുള്ള ചെറിയൊരു സ്ലോനെസ് ആണ് ഇതിനുള്ളത്. പക്ഷേ ബട്ട് അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് വി ആർ മേക്കിംഗ് തിങ്സ് ഹാപ്പൻ. വി ആർ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി ഓൺ. First trading year P&L. First trading year I had this one. When I don't remember exactly when it was in lakhs something. നഷ്ടമായിരുന്നു. Yes, it was in lakhs. അതിൽ കാണിക്കുന്നതിന് എനിക്ക് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടില്ല. See, traders go through that period അല്ലേ. Even I am only recovering many of my losses. Let me be honest. I don't want to hide anything and just betray. Yeah, I will do that. I don't remember exactly when I started. I started with equity. Okay, equity ലായിരുന്നു എൻ്റെ വ്യൂവിന് എന്തോ പ്രശ്നമുണ്ട്. I am not seeing this completely. I started in 2020, somewhere in 2020, and let's say നമുക്ക് ഏപ്രിൽ മുതൽ മെയ് മാർച്ച് ഏപ്രിൽ 1 മുതൽ മാർച്ച് 2021 വരെയുള്ള ഫൈനാൻഷ്യൽ ഇയറിൽ എടുക്കാം. സോ ഇക്വിറ്റിയിൽ ഐ ഹാവ് മെയ്ഡ് എ ലോസ് ഓഫ് വാട്ട്? യെസ്, 20K പ്രോഫിറ്റ്, 22K ടാക്സസ്. സോ നമ്മുടെ ഇതല്ലേ ഇനീഷ്യൽ ഫേസും കാര്യങ്ങളല്ലേ, സ്വാഭാവികമായിട്ടും അതുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് ഐ ഹാവിൻ ഡൺ ഫ്യൂച്ചേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ദെൻ. അതിൽ എഫ് ആൻഡ് ഒ ഞാൻ ആ സമയത്ത് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. എഫ് ആൻഡ് ഒ come to March 2022 I think I've started 2021, late 2021 in April 1, 2021, and that should be in lakhs somewhere. 42,000 loss, all those things. So avudunna I thodangiyad. Okay, where is, this is not getting hit. And again ഞാൻ പറയട്ടെ, ഈ വർഷം ഓപ്ഷൻ സെല് ചെയ്ത സമയത്ത് ട്രംപ് താരിഫ് came up and hit us, blew us away, hit us really bad. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു തവണ. And that loss is almost covered now. Now I also trade from multiple accounts now. എനിക്ക് വേറൊരു എൻ്റെ ബ്രദറിൻ്റെ, മൈ ഓൺ ബ്രദറിൻ്റെ സെറോദ അക്കൗണ്ടിൽ നിന്ന് ഞാൻ ട്രേഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ now everything is becoming very stable, very consistent, going fine. Things make much more sense now. So already 12:15. So thank you everyone. We are winding up the session. നമ്മൾ മുന്നേ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു, we are winding up the session. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you for everyone's support. ഇന്നത്തെ trade didn't go as expected, hit our stop loss, but you know what is coming next. We'll come up with very good fine trades which will make so much sense to everyone, and we'll be back. So thank you so much everyone. Thanks for joining in, and hopefully see you tomorrow. And I'm not assuring anything about tomorrow. It's a weekend. I also have multiple preoccupations, but do stay tuned. If at all there is a live, we'll hopefully meet there. Samad, thank you so much. And so thank you Samad, thank you Philip Samuel, Berno, Pradeep, the profitable trader today. Suginesh, Fail Better, Krishna Oman, Vishnu Srikumar, Amrita Jibin, Trade to Change, Praveen Kumar, everyone, thank you so much. Renew and Sri Kutan, Dhanalakshmi, Danish, everyone, thank you so much. So until the next time we see you, bye bye, thank you.